Hello everyone, welcome to episode 9 of the News November series. Ujjjivan Small Finance Bank Limited announced its results for quarter 2 2021. Let's see how it performed this quarter. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Ujjjivan Small Finance Bank Limited is a mass market focused bank in India. ये cater करते हैं unserved and undeserved segments and they are committed to building financial inclusion in the country. आइए बात करते हैं बैंक के बाकी एस्पेक्ट्स की. Retail deposits till September 2021 was rupees 5,254 crore. Capital adequacy ratio is 31%, which brings financial stability in the bank. Net income थी 470 crore till September quarter. आइए और जानते हैं financials के बारे में. The net profit in the quarter was rupees 96 crore, which was an increase of 4.3% from rupees 92 crore in the same quarter an year ago, which is a very good sign as you're able to generate profits. Bank's total expenses is rupees 585 crore in the September quarter, which was a decrease by 0.34% compared to rupees 587 crore in the same period an year ago. This is a very good sign when operating environment was extremely challenging during the quarter and bank was able to manage to reduce the cost. Gross NPA increased by 25% to rupees 136 crore from rupees 109 crore in the same period an year ago. Bank has also been trying to take initiatives towards digital infusion in its system ताकि वो कस्टमर की नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई कर पाए एंड न्यू कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट कर सके. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट शेयर प्राइस ऑफ द बैंक. करंट मार्केट प्राइस है अराउंड 33K एंड कोविड टाइम में इट इवन रीच्ड अ लो ऑफ ₹23, बट स्टॉक ने काफ़ी रिकवर भी किया एंड इवन रीच्ड अ हाई ऑफ ₹40. This is a small cap stock. For traders and long-term investors, they should look out for this stock and they should wait for more results to come as banks are still settling down with the financially hit down by Corona and especially if they are catering to the unserved and undeserved segments. I hope you got a quick review of the bank and its results. Do like the video, share the video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and press the bell icon.